What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the JRD Motorsports vlog. We're back in the race shop doing race car things. Let me know in the comments below if you like those kind of videos we did this weekend. It's still racing related, but not necessarily working on our car or at the racetrack. So let me know if you like that. We're going to do lots of stuff in the shop tonight. We got all kinds of boxes to unbox. What do we got? Open the first. All right, what do we got? This is a big box.
Bull bar padding.
That doesn't look very...
Bull bar plastic.
That's padding? All right.
Order paper?
Is this like a magic trick? Looks like you're unloading an intestine or something. Is there anything else in there? Seriously?
That was a big box and a lot of paper.
No wonder stuff's so expensive. That's all that was in that box was, I don't even, like, why did that need all that protection?
It is protection itself.
Unbelievable. Does it say brake duct hose on it?
Brake duct hose.
Rob, you just ruined the whole unboxing. But is there anything else in there?
No.
Nope. That is just a large snake.
We had a paper snake, now we got a hose snake.
Yeah. Box number 3. This one better be more than one thing because we ordered a lot of stuff. Holy.
What is going on?
Look, we ordered paper. Additional parts inside.
Looks like a bunch of gaskets.
Oh yeah, we ordered gaskets.
Pilot bushing tool.
Yeah, pilot bushing tool that I hope we don't ever use.
New load bolts.
Oh yeah, those do not look like the right ones.
You did order brake ducts.
I did order brake ducts, apparently. And we just discovered we have 4-inch brake hose, but that's okay because these allow 3 or 4-inch brake hose.
Pads.
Brake pads. Don't tell our secrets.
I think everybody uses brake pads.
It's true. What's in there?
Tool for this training.
Hey! Okay, so everyone do yourself a favor and go buy one of these. We have always struggled to get our clutch aligned and tranny aligned and everything because we have one of those piece of junk plastic ones. So we bought an actual metal clutch alignment tool. There you go. There's the stuff. Go buy yourself one of these. Oh, I can't say that we haven't used it yet, but I guarantee it's better than the plastic.
What are you doing?
Organizing for the season, and I hope I don't touch these rivets all year because that means that the body hasn't been touched.
That'd be good.
I'm literally putting part numbers for each thing in the bottom of each container. These are 18202 vacuum washers. And then when it runs out, you can see the orange tape in the bottom with the part number. That's pretty organized.
Tricky.
Out goes the pool noodle. It's not actually a pool noodle. It's the fireproof roll bar padding. Don't worry, we don't have a pool noodle in our car. And in goes this stuff that I thought was going to be a lot more rubbery, but it's actually like not much different than the roll bar. Ooh, it says SFI on it though, so it's got to be good.
Give you a concussion, but it won't catch on fire.
That's right. Okay. Gears are heavy. We don't use this gear.
What's that one for?
I don't know, it's a 600. Oh my god. I love that. This is so much easier. Ha! Freaks me out drilling holes in a brand new nose. They've gotten so expensive now that freaks me out. But if you want your brakes to stay cool, you drill holes in your brand new nose. Look at the size of that. Day 2 in a row here in the JD Motorsports shop. We called it a night last night after we did a handful of things, and then Frank came out here with me tonight. And I'll show you in a sec, but we have taken the power steering pump and pulley system, everything out of the race car. It's had a problem for about a year. We got through the year. Just every couple races we were having to change an O-ring. So we finally decided to replace the whole thing because we don't know exactly what the issue is. So that is the old pump. That is the new pump. And we are just working on somehow getting this off of here without taking it apart. But I think we're just going to slide this part to separate the reservoir and the pump and then get her done. No more leak in the race car. It was very slow. It wouldn't even drip. It was just every once in a while we would figure out that there was a drip. So might as well replace it before the season. Well, it was fun. We ended up having to take it apart to get the hose on there, but she's on there. Finally, after a year of dealing with having to change O-rings, we have a new power steering pump. That was fun, eh?
Oh yeah.
But, we now have a spare in this box. Spare part's good.
Good.
We just changed the O-ring again, and now we have a spare. So, in a pinch, that would work for us. We don't put used parts on the race car ever, but we'll put it out in the trailer. If you ever blow a power steering at the track or something in practice, at least we can finish the night. So finally got a job done that needed to be done. So what do you say we start some maintenance stuff, car? The list is looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good. We got like a month till we're on track, and the looking at the list over there, and it's about weekends. Yeah, pretty much about time we get on some maintenance stuff. All right. Under the car we go. It is time to put some fresh Castrol in this rear end. Nothing but the best. Obviously, Castrol is our brand of choice, and that is what we are going to put in this Ford 9-inch rear end on this here Super Stock. What are you pointing at? You're pointing at Castrol. Yeah, Castrol. Yes. All right, let's do it. All right, here we go. We drove her pretty hard the last race. You think she's going to smell bad?
Nah, she won't be that bad.
Your oil smells pretty bad. Oh, yeah. Probably didn't even need to change that. Holy.
Pristine.
People say I'm hard on equipment. Some fresh Castrol product has been put in the rear end of the race car, and I think we're going to call her a night there. It was a good couple of nights in the shop. A couple guys came out last night. Frank came out tonight. And we're getting close. We're on to the maintenance stuff, and decals should be here next week. Decals or decals? Decals? Decals. Decals?
Decals is interesting.
I call them both. They should be here next week, and we got a few more weeks to get this thing ready to go. And April 22nd, we hit the track for United Racing Series Media and Practice Day. So hit that subscribe button for us. We really appreciate it. We're growing. I think we're over 630 subscribers now. So hit that like button for us. Check out jdmotorsports.ca. Merch should be coming soon. I just got to finish drawing the t-shirts. And we'll get that posted soon. So stay tuned, and we'll be back here another night soon.